Example, if there is a buy trend going on, you can catch on that places sell trade. And if there is a sell trend going on, you can catch a buy trade. Yes, there are always some stop loss hit, but the profits when you will catch are very, very beautiful, and they are real big profits. So you will be surprised with this strategy that it's simple. I do believe everybody knows about the zigzag indicator. So we will use a simple zigzag indicator. And oh, Preeti came online. Let's welcome her. Hi,
Hi,
Preeti. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm very, very fine. Oh, you're today smiling a lot. Means you have earned a lot of money.
No, I actually got a lot of knowledge today. Not a lot of, but I made some stupid mistakes today.
Okay, but your voice is not clear. Sorry for that.
Sorry. Is it clear now? The
Yeah,
mic
very clear. Very, very clear now.
was behind actually. Sorry.
No worries.
So, how was your trading day?
My trading day is always great, and I'm going to share something today with you all, a strategy which will really guide you how to catch in the falling market, how to means let's say in a sell market, how to take a buy trade. If it goes in your favor, means the whole trend change means you will be on the bottom of the trend, and if it is going up higher high, and then you want to take a sell trade there, then you will means like get a massive like big profit if the trend goes on. But there's a TP1, TP2, TP3 means exactly like that up to the stages they are. It will be all shown. You need to do one thing is use the indicator zigzag. Did you use it before?
Zigzag.
Yes.
I think I've shown it once in a stream.
Yes, I have shown that. But today I'm going to share how to use it because a lot of people use it in a wrong way and then they got a problem. What they get a problem in that is when you're using a zigzag like with the candle breakout, you definitely get difficulties. Yes, you can use a candle, but I do believe no need candle. A candle gives a very big mess because looking at the candles, you will get confused. Like a lot of people say that I don't want to use any indicator like yesterday in the stream we were discussing. But there are ways to use these indicators because I told you created a lot of strategies. This is one of them. And I've used it on a 1 hour time frame. Even you can use it on a lower time frame and you will get a very beautiful entries and you will make really good money. It's a simple one time frame and you can use in even like multi time frame logic, but simple one time frame will be much better. I'm trying to uh, share the MT5, but today somehow it's not showing. Um, Let me check what is the reason. Uh, Okay, never mind. What I will try to do is I will try one more time if I can share the screen. It's funny. I can't share the screen. Let me check one time my settings. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Oh, that's very good. So you didn't trade at all, no problem. So it's better not to sometimes trade.
No,
Uh,
I did trade. I missed one good move that I was planning, but
okay.
I got caught up in some work and I missed that one. And that move just came like 6 p.m., 6:30 p.m. or something.
Okay,
And I
understood.
missed that one. And then I took a sell and It was a stupid trade. Like I got emotional,
I
and
understand.
then I took another trade and I entered wrong lot size. It was like 0.10 in place of 0.01.
Oh my God.
So I exited right away, but I made some mistakes today, and I don't think I should get into any more trades.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
tired
some.
from the week actually. I feel like it gets exhausting.
Yeah, sometimes it happens when you are tired, when you're exhausted, when you are frustrated, or when you're thinking something else. Then definitely things are then different. Make sense? Or
Yes.
okay, my friend, today I don't know what is the reason. It's not willing to share the empty file, this
Oh,
structure. It every time come, I the moment I select it disappear. I don't know why. Let me try one more time. Okay, never mind. After that, we can discuss about other things. Regarding the uh, again, it is the moment I select it disappear. I don't know why. Something is wrong. Okay. It's all right, my friends. Today, I think so. We cannot share this tragedy. Never mind. Some other day, or maybe Monday, Saturday, Sunday, we definitely will take a break. I am also very tired. I'm working whole this week a lot. Sometime almost like 28 hours even in a row. So it makes me tired. In this whole week, I never slept more than 10 hours altogether.
wow.
Yeah. So I also better take a good rest on Saturday and Sunday so that with a fresh mind, with a lot of energy, we can start on Monday and start earning again money, which is very important. And regarding today's stream, what we should discuss with you, because I have planned about this tragedy, and now the system which I'm using is not allowing me to share the screen with you, which is not nice at all. It's all right. About the trading, but we should discuss this today. Let's trader understand one thing. When the traders are trading and losing money, they should stop like as Preeti mentioned. If you are doing one mistake, second mistake, third mistake, stop, otherwise you will blow your fund. And then at the time you should understand either you're very tired or you are not in a good mood or the structure which you are using is not working. Either can be very good. Because sometimes we are not going with our structure, we are just going with our emotions. Why we are going with our
Right.
emotions? The reason because we are tired. We don't understand the structure at all. The brain is not thinking. Correct?
Right.
So we should be careful at that moment that we shouldn't take the trade.
Right.
So
So
to
that emotion took over me that how can I miss this one? Because the whole week was like booking small profits and going break even or with small losses. But that one trade was like it will give you profits in just 5-10 minutes. Your target is done. That was that trade and I missed it. So I got so anxious after that.
oh my god,
And
then
that
how I can
made
miss
me
this
make.
profits? How I can miss this profits? Oh my god, this was my trade, right?
It was just 10 minutes I was away from my phone or screen and it just went. And I was planning on that one. That might be my mistake that I did not prioritize staying in front of the screen that moment.
it's like that. It's, you cannot say that. Okay, let's say your mom call you or your colleague call you or you have to go some work, important anything, and then at that moment, sudden at that special moment, the trade comes and you come back on the screen. Oh my God, the trade is gone, and the mind immediately stop thinking other things, and you will feel like, oh, what I have done, right?
It was like that. Like it was, I was so patiently waiting for like things to become clear because I did not find any good setup since the morning, and I was like waiting for that one, that one, that one, and just 10 minutes, and it went up.
Oh,
So I felt really bad.
it's really, really bad actually. Because when we are waiting and waiting and something happen like this, we don't feel good at all, right?
Yes, and then after stupid mistakes like wrong lot size, and then I closed that one and I entered again, and instead of one micro, I put four micro by mistake. Then I exited, and then I like entered with one micro, and I was like, it's not my day.
Oh my God. And then,
Then I'm into that one, but it might hit my SL. But I was looking to sell from here.
oh no. So after that, you did a lot of mistakes, right?
Right, I did, and I don't know. It was some. I was so patient with everything. Like, and this one thing made me do so many stupid things today.
You know why happened like that? Because when, okay, I will give you answer. Let's
Mm,
say you want to go somewhere, you're very happy, and suddenly the program got cancelled. How you will feel? Not happy, right?
no,
Yeah. And then what will the brain will do? Brain shuts down. Doesn't work properly. It doesn't make you like feel comfortable. Yeah, Mr. Gabby, hello everyone. Hi to you all also. So the brain shuts down at that moment. And when the brain shuts down, you do wonderful things like wrong decisions, wrong moves. Not even in trading, you leave the trading, even in your normal life. Like a lot of
right,
things you don't want to do, but you will, at that moment, you will do it. Example, uh, just let's say you are not eating unhealthy food for a long time, like a lot of chocolates. And at that time, when you are angry or you're very happy, you will like you will not bother. You will just eat. Correct? Or not? Let's say
yes,
a lot of doing gym, you don't want to eat pizza, but at that time you will start your pizza. And never
right,
mind, I will eat the pizza now because your mind already shuts down and frustration took over. And at that time, the decision which comes is not rational. It's just like you are just doing something.
right.
So in this way, what you should do is, if there is a trade and you miss that trade, shut down the computer for a while, or take a deep breath, stop your breath for a while. I understand that. At that moment, nothing we think. We just want to take a revenge. But easy answer. I will teach you one method. Have you done any meditations in your life?
No,
Okay. Very easy is that close your eyes, relax your mind, focus on your breathing. Like breathe in slowly, slowly, focus on that, and breathe out slowly, slowly, focus on that. While doing that, try not to stay inside your brain. See far away like you are looking at the sky. And it's very beautiful blue color. You can even see a bird flying there. Why we have to do that? If we are not doing that, the mind will start having a lot of different thoughts. And we will be wandering inside our brain, which will not let us meditate. If you want to meditate, always try to see far away. Look outside. When you're looking outside far away, you will never have thoughts like wonderful thoughts in your brain or my trades or my this. At that time, take your breathe in and stop for at least 15, 20, 30 seconds, how long you can stop, correct? And
Right.
at time, you just say to yourself, when I'm doing trading, if any stop loss hit or any move miss or anything happen which has given me a loss or a mistrade, my brain will trigger to do the breathing, like meditation, and let go your breathing. And that's it. Do it few times a day. What will happen? Automatically, subconscious will remember this, and if anything goes wrong, you will unknowingly take the breathe in and you will stop.
Right.
How? There's a very strong reasons. As I a few days ago also told you, when we talk about are you hungry, your attention goes to your stomach, correct or not? Are you thirsty? Your attention will go to your throat, correct or not? So
Right.
same, some days we are happy, but suddenly we become sad. We also don't know why. Because in your past, that moment has happened which made you sad, which is already in your subconscious, but you didn't remember that. But the moment happened, like the thing pass or something happen or somebody say some word which makes you sad, and subconscious will make you sad, but you will think, I was very happy, everything was fine. Suddenly I become sad for what reason? Happens to everyone. True.
Right.
I do believe it happens to you as well.
Yeah. Even like today, if that had not happened,
Yeah.
I would have waited for another confirmation, or if the stop loss was big, I would not have entered at all. But all um all my mind was saying it was I don't want to miss this one. Now I don't want to miss this one. So that's how I ended up making mistakes.
So what you can do is do this meditation and rewrite the brain, like rewrite on your subconscious brain that what you will do when this things will happen, when you will hit a stop loss, or when you will have a mistrade, or when, means anything which gives you a loss or a mistrade, you will automatically take a long breathe in and stop for a while and calm down your brain. That's it.
Right.
Do it every time. Or if you don't want to do the stop breathing at later on, then what you can do is take your breathe in. Just imagine, uh, when any trade miss or any stop loss hit or anything happens in the trading, you will close your eyes and you will just like fold your hands or do something like in the way that your brain should get the information what you have to do at the time what this happened. Like when you get sad unknowingly, so what will happen when this thing will trigger, the subconscious will give you the command, close your eyes, and automatically you will close the eyes if you do it quite number of times in the meditation and give this again and again wording to yourself that whenever this happens, I will close my eyes and I will calm down my brain and I will focus on my breathing. Something like this you will give, uh, like in a day, two, three times, four times. Take stop your breathe in and give this affirmation. Stop your breathe in and give this affirmation. That when this happen, I will close my eyes and I will not become sad at all. Like even never say I will not. Not means you will, because subconscious don't understand not. Whatever you will say, it will understand without not.
Yeah.
So what you will say is, say to your subconscious that whenever any stop loss hit or whenever I miss any trade or anything happen in my trading which is not good, I will close my eyes and I will focus on my breathe, and then I will focus on my structure system. Like maybe in a one affirmation, you can say that uh, whenever I happen this, what my brain should do, I will close the eyes and I will focus on my structure. And when I open my eyes, and I will trade according to my structure. So like this, something positive, and few times a day you give, after a week or 10 days or 15 days later, you will automatically realize you are start doing it.
Right.
Whenever stop loss hit, your mind will have no thoughts, even much better. Stop thinking everything, you can give this information to your brain, and after 5, 10, 15 days later, you will be surprised when a stop loss hit, mind will immediately stop thinking everything. Immediately it will go blank because subconscious will make it blank. This is much easier, much faster. With open eyes, even your mind becomes blank, means you are immediately on Zen mode. Zen mode means calm mode. And then you start thinking of your structure only after a few seconds later, that what my structure is, what shall I do? Have you noticed that whenever we trade with a very calm mind, without like any anger or any like other thought, even we hit a stop loss or any trade miss, we don't get agitated or we don't do mistakes, and we wait for a right structure and then we go in it and we make the profits. Is that true?
Right.
That happens only when we are very, very calm. Is that true?
Right.
So when we are not calm, what happens?
Mistakes.
Disaster happens, disaster. All right.
Yes.
So it shows that what we should do and what we shouldn't do. While trading, we should always keep our mind really, really very relaxed. The more we are calm, I realize the better results I saw actually. Really. Like even though you hit one, two, three losses, after that you really feel like, ah, it's okay. I don't feel any issues. I don't feel like any problems with my trading, and I can focus on my next setup. You wait with patience, and the next setup arrive, and then you go into it. Correct. What?
Right.
So that what we should all we should do. That's the reality of trading. If we do in that way, I strongly believe we can really make good money with the structures.
True.
So whenever, whichever day you're very calm, even though hit stop loss, you earn profits, right?
Right.
And when you get stressed, that's why the trading tricks your brain. That's why the trading emotionally, mentally, physically play with the trader.
Right.
Trading is the most brutal game in this whole world, even though you are not physically doing like other games like physically like cricket, badminton or other, you are exhausted. But with the trading without physical, you get exhausted, you get tired, even some
Right.
more emotion, some more stress, some more like thinking like, oh, the word has ended already. Now everything is gone. Correct? It feels like that.
Right.
So it shows that we shouldn't think in this way. We should only think in this way. What I have to do is what I need to do is I have to focus on the trading and I have to do it carefully because I want to make the career in the trading, and the career can be only like what we can say career can be only built in the trading if you really are consistent and profitable. If you are not consistent and profitable, then it's not really good.
Right.
What what do you think?
It's true. I think you have to master a lot of things rather than your strategy and the way you analyze the trades or whatever. But there are a lot of things that you still need to fix in order to be consistent. It's not just a strategy or like one day you mess up and you get so much behind.
You kill everything, all your
Right.
hard work. You can kill, which you done. Sometimes people earn for whole year and they mess up and they burn it out in one day. I tell you a very long back time story, not too long, like 10 years old. There was a woman in one of the place, like she was a trader. A lot of people were following her in eToro. Have you heard about eToro, social trading platform?
Never.
Never. Too widespread stop loss hunting, everything they will do to rob the traders. And even though sometimes I even saw some traders saying, oh, there was losses going on, suddenly the trade disappeared and their losses also disappeared. Why they do that? They have the fake identity of the people. They open the trade, let it like leave it like that. When it goes into the profit, they close the profit. So slowly, slowly, group will become very bigger. I've seen with that with my own eyes. And the guy picture of, I'm not talking about this woman. The guy picture was somebody's like black and white. All those days, don't know where this person, whoever get this and paste it in detail. And now all people are following. A lot of people are following. A lot of people are making money, making money, making money. It was so big already. The group, the money was so much invested in that group. And one day again, the trade was open and it was going in loss and loss and loss and loss, and everybody's account wiped out. The whole portfolio, all that group lost the money. I think it was
Oh,
like more than few $1 million gone. And people were swearing on that guy, but that is not the reality. There was no guy. That was, don't know, I will not say, but it was a scam. A lot of people still don't understand that a lot of these companies are doing this type of things. And even though one few days ago before this happened, there was a guy was mentioning that means like the young chaps were talking to each other and discussing. He said there was trade in my account in the morning and it was in loss, and I was thinking never mind by the evening or next day, because he holds for a day or two and then it goes into profit. But this, whoever the guy was, wants to make the portfolio bigger. So what he do, time to time he delete the trades from not only his account, the other people account also trades were deleted. So it means it was the company, somebody, however, because in MT5 all these platforms you can do that. You open the trade on a back dates and can show a lot of profits as well. You don't know?
oh,
Yeah.
I didn't
So,
know this.
yeah, a lot of people are doing that. That's why a lot of fake portfolios are also there. Like in my FX book, a lot of people say, "Oh, you can attach your MT5 or MT4, blah blah blah, or other platform. Then you show the result, verified results. What verified? I can open in the back office of the MT5 trade 2 months ago, a buy at like for like 5,000, somewhere like a sell at 5,000. Means whatever I want to do, I will show the trade here to here, here to here, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, even backdate, close also backdate, a massive profits and show that small losses, big profits, all BS. And then your my FX book will show accordingly. And my FX book have another problem, that when you deposit the money, it will not share that it has been deposited. It will only share that the account portfolio has increased. You are in profits.
Oh,
Yeah. So a lot of things traders don't know. Lot of things. Like in Profirm, there are one crypto company is showing that Profirm is giving the payout. Simple question. Go into the chat GDP and put that company name, which is showing the results of that. Prop firms are giving payouts. Prop firm have their account, prop firm have account B. That's it. And they are doing transaction from A to B and then took out and then again pump it in A, and then again they will rotate, 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 and it is showing that this much payout go out, this much payout go out. Traders get or not get, they are just giving a small fees and showing
Oh,
they are giving millions out, but money has been never given out. So these type of scams are too many in the industry. Have to be very, very, very careful. The more smarter you will think, the more smarter you will act, the more smarter you will be. If you're not thinking, if you're saying, I don't need to think, life is very easy, yes, you will know with the time. People, this industry, lot of scams, lot of problems, lot of issues. I've seen a lot of things in this industry. So that's why I'm very, very, very careful with every step, even with trading, where I'm putting my money. I should be only trading with the top brokers, or I better don't trade, because how much money you give to top firm or a normal broker, you will get nothing back. 99.9% they will give you nothing back. So it's better to open an account. You say, oh, we don't have a big money. So there are actual prop firms who are looking for talented traders, not modern prop firms. They are like proprietary trading. It's called not prop firm. They are called proprietary trading. Uh, like same one name is SMB Capital. They are from Wall Street, USA. They charge you $300 per month a platform fees, and if you are a good trader, you show your skill, they really can give you up to 10 million account.
right.
There are hedge fund and other places as well. If you have a track record of 6 months to 1 year with a proper like Saxo Bank or IBKR, then all this MT5, my backup group, they when you will go with this, they will say, "Are you joking? This is a scam." They will say to you, even it's
So
legit.
this will not be counted if you go there, right?
No, it will never be counted, because I have done before long time ago. I have done a demo testing, and then I have done a EA back testing. I send the reports to this company, and then they say, first of all, your peak liquidity is very bad. I say, but my drawdown is overall good. No, peak liquidity is very bad. So this strategy will not work with us. And this type of actually word was very bad. Like this type of strategies and where you are showing the result doesn't work, because all that places are not legit.
Oh,
Yes, they said these all places are not legit. We don't believe in. If you want to be institutional trader, trade with institution and show your result, and then you come back with that track record, and then we will test it out and we will see with the small account. If you are really managing well, then we will increase you to very big account. That's how it works. Not like what all retail traders think. Oh, it's just like that. I can do this. I can do nothing. This all will not work. All whatever you are trading, you are doing, it is all like fun. Like kids are playing in the park, and they are very happy that I become the champion. Yay! I'm the winner. Yes, you are the winner of that park. No, nothing else. You want to
it's
become
like
very.
gully cricket and real cricket.
Yes, yes, yes. You are perfect. You are 100% telling the truth. Yes, there are some people in the gully cricket also who become later, but not in 101, not in 1,000, not in 10,000, maybe in a million one person. You can see how many people get the chance even to reach to that level to play for their country. Sure.
True.
So the simple answer is, if you really want to become very successful, you have to understand a lot of points, that what you should do and what you shouldn't do. The trading, exactly, the trading is not what people think. It is completely different than what all retail traders do. And all these places where we are trading as well, it's not worth. It's a waste of time. Yeah, you can practice, you can learn, you can move on. But if you really want to make big money, real money as well, then you have to focus on what I'm telling you. First, calm down yourself. Focus on what you're doing. Your portfolio should be nice and clean. You should be consistent. And if you are consistent, there are a lot of places. that you can really make a lot of money. But if you are not consistent, gambling everybody can do. Every trader can do gambling, and I have seen all the traders do it. Rare people do it. I told you, among all the traders, what I have seen up to till today, only you are the one who is very like in control. Rest, none of the traders are the control. So if you keep it up and you focus on it and you slowly improve your trading and become consistent, you will be surprised. You will be earning not yourself, you will be earning for like a company where they have a big portfolio like us or other company as well, and you will make a lot of money.
Right.
There are people who make the team a group. Why they make a group? Because a lone person again cannot trade. If you focus on trading, you can trade 3 to 6 hours a day. That is already a lot of it. Like you will get exhausted. If you're trading like me, 18, 20, sometimes 26 hours, it really breaks you down. Because it's not easy. Because I have, with the time, it becomes my habit already. My body is okay with that. I sleep 1 hour or 2 hours also is okay for me. I'm fine after that. I wake up automatically and start working. And that's the reason. But it's still not healthy and it's not good for trading. No matter how good trader you are, you will do mistakes when you're tired or when you
Right.
are not happy with something. So it's difficult. You will say, "No, I am happy all the time." Nobody is happy all the time.
Yeah, we are humans.
Nobody is happy all the time. Nobody is perfect all the time. Nobody can say that I can see all my setups all the time. You, how much you are expert. When you look at the charts with a very relaxed mind, you will see the setups. But when you are trading, the market is moving crazy moves. That's it. When the market start moving like the speed, like a bullet train up or down, there goes everything, all strategies on the side. Running market, I should go for buy or I should go for sell. True.
True.
So that's where the mind tricks you. That's where you have to control it. So for that, I do believe the higher time frame helps out. You always should look on the higher time frames. If you're looking at the smaller time frames, you will definitely get into it. If you want to trade in a smaller time frame, there's a way. The way is trade in a smaller time frame, but look on the higher time frame when the higher time frame is giving you like a signal that after this, if the trend is starting, not inside the candle. I teach you a few days ago. Inside the candle, smaller time frame will lot of stop loss it. But outside that candle movement, go and check on the chart. Even 1 minute time frame will give you a lot of money because signals are rare there. Make sense?
Right. Makes sense.
So you should always look for a trending movement. Like I teach you outside the Bollinger Band, there's a trending movement. Then you can see over there your pattern, or you can use a higher time frame like say channel lines that the 4 hour above this channel is a buy and below this channel is the sell. But I have to look in this buy or sell. My smaller time frame should give me the confirmation that this signal is a buy, a higher time frame buy also. My signal also is the buy now. Then you should go into that and you will be surprised. Either you can write the whole 4 hour trend, or either you can close it with the TPs, or you can trail it down, like whatever you want to do. But when you go inside the candle zone, inside the like bronze band is means inside the same like a candle zone. Oh, you will be shocked. There is the real problem. A lot of traders don't realize that when you are trading in the trend, you really can make money no matter what. Like just now, the gold was running. A lot of traders, like I was watching somebody else trade. She's quite good. I will be very honest with you. I'm watching her for 2 days. She give a real good signals, real good signals. Majority of her signals is profit. Out of 10, 7, 6, 7. Like, and And she is not the one which I was sharing the YouTube link to you. No, no, no. She's a bluff. She that one is the
You shared another one too. You told me you'll be talking to her.
no, no, no. I no that one also is okay, okay. Out of 10, she hit like five, six stop loss or like four, five stop loss, like that kind of issue. The other one which I never share even with you, I let me check for a few more days. If she's good, I will share with you. She is really good.
Wow.
I will say that because I am noticing her from last almost 1 week plus. She's good.
Right.
She will give the trades on a very nice place. She's quite young, you can say in her 30s, and she work only, I think so, 8 to 10 hours full time. But she has a team. That one she
Oh,
openly say to all the traders that I have a team that who is always looking at every signal, and they alert me as well that which you are going to take the signal, be careful with this one. So because of the people sitting behind are only watching the screen and looking at the system, and also telling her with okay this trade, like okay Warren Buffett. Do you think so? Warren Buffett is a like a very big trader. Yes, he was a trader as well, businessman. But do you realize that he never took the decision by himself alone? He has a team of 18 people, 18, not even 19, who all of them analyze the trade, and then the decision was finally made by them that we should go for this trade path. That's how they did it, and he is one of
wow.
the best trader in the world. Either you should have a EA which can really do the trading with all the structure which you have told, or you should have a team. Alone and manual, dangerous, dangerous. Because what you will do, like you told me that you did mistakes, right? I also do mistakes because I get tired. I am also like working so long hours. So mind really sometimes I feel like mind totally is shut down and it's not thinking rationally, and just without realizing you are just going into the trades and you hit losses, and you are still not realizing you are closing too many losses because brain is not thinking, you are tired.
Right.
So the answer is, if you are working in a team and team also understand that trading really helps to make you a lot of money, that's where the difference comes. That's the real difference if you have a good team.
True.
So I will try one more time to share the screen before the stream ends. I really don't understand what is happening today. Okay, again come and disappear. Again come and disappear. I don't understand. Please, yeah, let me shut down and on it. The amplifier. So that's the reason, Preeti ji. I always say that calm down your mind, focus on your strategy, trade small. Trading small at itself help. Do you realize?
Yes. Those
If you're
small losses don't hurt you.
yes, and your mind stay very calm. No. The stream today is saying that stream don't want to share the amplifier. I don't know why. I tried many times while we are talking as well. So I try and try. I don't know. Maybe when I on something went wrong, or this is Chrome and this is window. I'm getting only two links. And see, oh, okay. Okay, my friend Preeti, what you can do is find somebody, the name of the person whom we will mention as the winner, so that we can announce a winner, and then you can calm down yourself, take 2 days off, Saturday, Sunday, relax your mind, meditate, and give a good affirmation to your mind that when you met a loss or you miss a trade, you will like your mind will go immediately empty, no thoughts, and you will just do a small meditation at the time and focus on what you have to do. That's all.
Right.
Something like you will try for week to 10 days or 15 days, you will see the changes in you. Because a lot of traders always say that when they start the meditation, 10-15 minutes before their trading in the morning, they become successful.
Right. I
It's
will
not because,
surely start doing that
it's not
because
because, yeah, sorry.
I don't want those stupid mistakes to like uh waste all of my hard work.
Yeah, it's true. So that's the reason they do meditation is not for any other thing. They do the meditation, I do believe they prepare the mind for the whole day trading, that if any case loss happen or anything, they will focus on their strategy, their
Yeah,
structure.
I think not a lot of traders focus on that. Like when you wake up, you have the market analysis, you have your strategy, and you will do hundreds of things, but you will not keep your mental state in mind. Okay, so whatever happens, I'm not going to affect by this, right?
uh, I do believe first the mind get upset when we uh, what we do is the biggest problem comes when we trade big, the mind immediately shuts down. And
Yeah,
then the moment mind shuts down, problems start. Then one mistake, another increase of lot size, increase of risk, it will continue. So that
right,
doesn't work. But if you are looking for something like to control your mind, first step is trade small. Then if you miss the trade or if you hit the stop loss, calm down yourself, focus on your strategy, focus on the system, focus on what you are doing. That's it.
right,
Continue to do it, one, two, three, even like okay, three trades it in a row loss, stop for today. Might you are not aligned, or might the structure is not aligned for today's market move. Don't leave it. But I strongly will tell you, very strongly, that no matter what, whatever you do in the raging markets, you will hit the losses quite a lot. But when you will trade in the trending markets, you will hit a lot of profits and big profits. Right?
right,
Because it's my personal experience with the trading that when I remove any time frame, have a ranging and a trending candle. Example, your trend candle of a 4 hour can be a range candle of the daily. Why? The daily, if you see the chart, go to your chart, look at your daily candle, click on daily and see the daily candles. How many days you see 2 days, yesterday and day before yesterday, the market break out and day before yesterday and goes back inside the candle, daily candle.
hmm.
And yesterday break low and goes back up again or wandering there only, correct? So the
Yes,
trend was very small for these 2 days. That's why not much movement or much. Today, if you see the high breakout, there was quite a good movement, but still you will see it's not that big move. But if you go
right,
3 days ago, which is this day, we look at that 14/4/2026, the candle of 13/4 breakout and the whole big candle trend.
right,
At that day, if you look at 4 hours, then you look at 1 hour, then you look at 30 minutes according to their time zones and trends, because one day is already trending, so you don't have to worry about one day. Now you have to look is 4 hour. If the 4 hour is somewhere range, leave that down in the lower time frame any trade, because 4 hours ranging means up to the lower time frame it can be range. You will say no, but if you want to trade in 1 minute, then definitely you have to look at different. But you will say, I'm trading in 1 minute, can I see the 5 minute trend? Yes, you can see, but 5 minute trend will not be a bigger trend. If the 4 hour itself is the small range inside, but you can tell about how far it can go with the trade. So better is look always the trending candles, like I'm just now telling you, and then in that one time frame lower trade. Like if we go rather than a daily, if you look at, you will be surprised. Weekly, you see, weekly, the previous whole week was inside the candle, and then
Right.
2 3 weeks ago, that candle break out and quite give a big movement of like 200 pips. That was the place where you should have traded and earned the money. You will say, oh, but I don't know how far it can go, or it can go back as well. Yes, we don't know. The point is, we don't know that how far these candles can go. If their previous low or high is a target or not. But the good point is, when the market is trending, it really, really, really goes very, very, very powerful. Example, I'm going to share. The Give me a moment. Let me see. Monthly, or let's say weekly. Weekly, if we look at this week, March 15/3/2026, when the week starts, it was
Hmm.
from the bottom, it breaks the week, and the whole week, the big candle, see the weekly, beautifully go down.
Right.
And in these weeks, I was earning as well a lot. The reason again, because when there's a trend, that really makes you a big money. That's why there's a saying in the traders, trend is a friend. Nobody have heard that range is a friend. Anybody have, you have heard anywhere?
No.
What you have heard?
Friend is your friend.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. These candles show where the trend starts. And looking at the higher time frame trends, trade in the smaller time frame trends. Don't look at the smaller time frame trend. Okay, I have a trend in 5 minutes, I will trade in 1 minute. But the key point is, maybe that 5 minute trend is a range, a small range of a 15-minute candle, which you will go into the trade and you will not get much movement, and you will be like, oh, there's not much movement. I only get like uh, 20 30 only points, or $2 3 movement, 20 30, like, yeah, uh, tips only, something like that. So you will not be happy with that small type of movements if you're trading very small micro lot. So you have to look for a big movement, like $100 movement, 1000 pips, correct? Or at
Right.
least 100 pips, which is a $10 movement, at least, that you are earning something rather than $1 or $2, at least 10 15 20 few trades a day, almost like 70 $80, $100 a day, something like that, with one micro 0.01. So the simple logic is, you have to focus on the trading where the trend is starting, the previous candle high above the trend will start. And if you are looking at the in the middle of the candle, if the previous candle, like if we look at the week, the previous candle weekly is when it closed, but this week opens with a very big gap, and then the gap was filled, and definitely candle go up, and now it goes up and is a bit higher than the previous candle high. That's where, if you look, the whole week was not that great. You will see, oh, candle is very beautiful from low to high. Yes, candle is beautiful, but we are not trading on the candle that we enter at the open and we ride the candle. True?
Right.
We are riding only the trend because of the inside range. But we will look at the daily, what it was doing. Look at the daily. In this few days, when the first Monday, the candle open goes up straight. Second day goes up straight. Third, little bit go up and then pulls back down. And the fourth day, which was Thursday, open goes up, goes down like a range. So this 2 days were very not nice. And if we are looking at the weekly, which was already inside the range but it was gap down, luckily it goes up. Otherwise, if you ask me, on the weekly and monthly chart, they are in the range. That's why the gold is like bouncing up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. You realize that gold is in a range of $200, but it's not breaking up or down very strong.
Right.
That is the reason because monthly also is in range, weekly also was in range, and then daily some places it gives the trend. There you go. That you can cash in 4 hours. That's how I trade. I avoid those days which are ranging. I really avoid. That helps me to become consistent and profitable. But if you want to get the pullbacks, which I told you I was going to teach today, but I don't know what happened. We are not lucky today. I didn't get that the chart on the MT5 on the screen. I missed that. Tomorrow I will set it up before even we come online so that it should be 100% active. So I can explain. No, not tomorrow, sorry, Monday. Tomorrow and Sunday we are taking a break because Preeti also tired whole week. I also tired whole week, so better take a break. So Preeti, please tell the winner name so we can end up the stream and let the winner enjoy his account 100K instant. And we love you too as well, Gaby and Gugu and everyone who joined the stream. Thank you very much for all your love.
I think today's winner is WIA0235. That's the username. The YouTube username is Arpit T9N. Congratulations.
Congratulations, but I have to note down where he is. Let me check. WAHY, that's what the name is? CCATM
Nah, WIA.
WIA. Let me check. WIA. Oh my god, I cannot see that person. WIA. WAHY, I can see. Maybe I am watching the stream on this. I have to open the
The YouTube username is Arpit.
artist. Let me check. I will go into the stream directly on my. Okay. W artist. Okay, never mind. I still cannot see. Can you spell for me? I will write down the name.
A
WIA
0
0
235.
235. Okay, is the winner. Okay.
Yeah. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Via 0235. Please, you can send the message in Discord because I don't know your CFL username. And if you give me your username, I will add the credit and you can purchase the account with that credit instant account or 1:1 challenge account for the $10, which will give you credit. You will get exactly with $10 any account which you want. But the instant account is really very difficult. It's use peak equity TD, so trade carefully. Thank you very much. Have a good day. And Preeti, lots of thanks to you. And have a good
Thank
day and
you.
good weekend, please. And God bless you.
Thank you.
Thank you. God bless you all.
Bye
Lot of
bye.
health, wealth, and prosperity. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, guys, we are going to take a break for 2 days. Thank you very much. See you next time on Monday. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.